Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for in-depth reviews of top-notch tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of networking with the best RJ45 Crimper on the market. Say goodbye to messy Ethernet connections and hello to seamless networking. Behold the RJ45 Crimp tool pass-through crimper cutter for Cat6a, Cat6, Cat5, and Cat5e8p8c modular connectors from PettitchTool. This compact and efficient tool is a game-changer for anyone dealing with Ethernet cables. Let's dive into the details. This RJ45 Crimp tool is specially designed for pass-through RJ45 connectors, making it compatible with Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a cables ranging from 26 Aruban florins to 23 Aruban florins. But what sets it apart from the rest? First off, its mini design. This crimper is 2/3 the size of traditional ones and weighs only 1/3 as much as standard pliers. You can handle it with one hand, making your work more comfortable and efficient. What's more, it's an all-in-one crimp tool. It combines cutting, stripping, and crimping functions into a single tool, simplifying the installation process, even for beginners. And here's a significant advantage: the replacement blade. Unlike other crimpers with blades fixed by nails, this tool's crimping port has a special notch for blade fixation. It's secured with a black clip first and then fixed with nails, ensuring a precise cut every time. Inside the package, you'll find one RJ45 Crimp tool designed specifically for RJ45 pass-through plugs. Before we continue, let's take a look at what customers have to say about this RJ45 Crimper. As you can see, this tool has garnered high ratings from customers. It's lightweight, easy to use, and offers excellent value for money. And if you want even more value, there's a newer model available: the RJ45 Crimp tool for Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a pass-through connectors, which includes 20 Cat6 connectors and 20 boots. Some customers have noted that the crimping part of the tool is not adjustable for stripping, but with a slight twist of the wire bunch, it still provides clean cuts. So, there you have it, folks, the RJ45 Crimp tool pass-through crimper cutter by PettitchTool, the best RJ45 crimper in the market for all your networking needs. Don't let messy Ethernet connections slow you down. Upgrade to the PettitchTool RJ45 Crimp tool and experience the convenience of pass-through connectors. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool will make your networking projects a breeze. That's a wrap for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.